Keeping your home organized doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this video, I'm sharing 20 smart Amazon storage ideas that can make tidying up easier and more manageable. From kitchen hacks to closet solutions, these tips are simple and effective. I've also listed 5 of the best items for small spaces, so there's something for everyone. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned, links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Let's dive into the ideas and get your home looking its best. Long D Bathroom Organizer. Made of durable stainless steel with an anti-rust finish, this adjustable shelf features hooks for curling irons and hair dryers. With 6 adjustable height settings, it fits cabinets perfectly. The dual installation options, wall-mounted or placed on countertops, make it versatile for use in bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Its grid design prevents items from falling, offering a practical and stylish storage solution. S&T Inc. Push Towel Hooks. Keep towels off counters with these adhesive push towel hooks. Secure towels easily by pushing them into the hook and pulling them out when needed. They can be installed with adhesive backing or screws, suitable for smooth surfaces or permanent fixtures. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or garages, they offer a sleek and practical solution to keep towels in place. Space Lead Slim Storage Cart. This slim utility cart features 360-degree rotating wheels, allowing easy movement and storage in tight spaces. With multiple compartments and side hooks, it's perfect for organizing items in bathrooms, kitchens, or offices. Remove the casters to use as a shelf. Made from durable plastic, it's lightweight and easy to assemble, offering versatile storage options for a tidy, clutter-free space. YTE Few Water Dispenser. With a foldable design and BPA-free materials, this electric water dispenser ensures safe, hygienic hydration. Operable with a single button, it features a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery lasting 30 to 40 days per charge. Compatible with most 5-gallon bottles, it's portable and leak-proof. Perfect for home or travel, it combines convenience with functionality, providing clean water effortlessly. Hua Hat Screwdriver Set. Packed with 128 tools, this precision screwdriver set meets all your repair needs. It includes durable S2 alloy steel bits, an aluminum handle, pry tools, tweezers, and demagnetizing slots, all organized in a compact roll-up case. Designed for repairing phones, electronics, and gadgets, its 360-degree swivel top and flexible shaft allow access to tight spots. This complete portable toolkit is essential for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Tip Tipper Folding Dining Table. Featuring a foldable design, this versatile table adapts to any space. Fully extended, it serves as a spacious dining table for 4. Partially folded, it becomes a desk or console table. Equipped with 6 casters, 4 of which lock for stability, it's easy to move and secure. A 2-tier storage shelf adds functionality, holding kitchenware or decor. Easy to assemble and clean, it seamlessly complements modern homes. Cook with Color Nesting Bowls. This multifunctional set includes 2 mixing bowls, a colander, a fine mesh sieve, and 4 measuring cups, all stackable for compact storage. The non-slip base on the large bowl ensures stability, while the smaller bowl doubles as a measuring tool. Perfect for meal prep and baking, the set's lightweight design and convenient handles make it easy to use. Keep your kitchen organized and efficient with this essential, space-saving collection. Boao Shelf Dividers. Organize your closet effortlessly with these minimalistic, durable acrylic shelf dividers. Designed to stack clothing, towels, or linens neatly, they help you find items quickly. Each divider fits shelves 0.8 to 1.1 inches thick, with smooth, rounded corners to prevent damage. Installation is tool-free. Simply slide them onto your shelves. Ideal for keeping closets tidy, these dividers combine functionality with a sleek, modern aesthetic. Joom Tripod Clothes Drying Rack. Foldable and easy to assemble, this drying rack provides a compact storage solution, perfect for small spaces. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features 12 sturdy metal rods that can support up to 45 pounds of garments. Its tripod structure ensures excellent stability, even in tight spaces. Ideal for drying socks and delicates, it's a versatile, space-saving solution tailored for apartments or homes without a dryer. Ski Wall Mount. Store skis securely with this protective holder, featuring slip-resistant rubber material to prevent damage. Supporting up to 25 pounds, it includes an automatic locking mechanism for added safety. Designed for vertical storage, it saves space in garages, cabins, or homes while showcasing your skis. A perfect solution for neatly organizing and protecting your gear. Blue Ginkgo Sink Colander Strainer. Versatile and easy to use, this colander stretches over your sink to rinse produce, drain pasta, or thaw food. It doubles as a dish rack for air-drying utensils and small plates or a countertop basket. The modern design expands from 14 to 19 inches, fits most sinks, and keeps food elevated from water. BPA-free and heat-resistant up to 212 Fahrenheit, its durable construction and evenly spaced holes make food prep simple and efficient. Maplefield Foldable Sink Cover. Create extra counter space with this silicone sink cover, perfect for storing makeup and toiletries. Heat-resistant up to 400 Fahrenheit, it safely holds hot styling tools while ridges prevent items from rolling away. Lightweight and foldable, it compacts easily for travel and fits sinks in hotels or dorms. Designed for easy cleaning, it protects surfaces from spills and offers a convenient addition to your daily routine. Amazon Basics Space-Saving Storage Bags. Organize and save space with these large vacuum storage bags, perfect for clothing, linens, and more. They compress textiles by 80%, making them compact for underbed or closet storage. Double zip seals and a triple seal turbo valve ensure airtight protection. Made with thick PA and PE films, they are durable and reusable. Includes a hand pump for travel convenience or use with a vacuum cleaner for quick deflation. Eucopia Egg Dispenser. Hold 12 to 14 eggs with this gravity-fed dispenser that releases one egg at a time. The compact, two-tier design saves fridge space and eliminates the need for cartons. Quick to set up and featuring non-slip feet, it stays secure and adds convenience to your refrigerator organization. Amazon Basics Wall Mount Storage Broom. Keep your space tidy with this wall-mounted holder, offering 6 hooks and 5 spring-loaded slots for brooms, mops, and tools. Made from weather-resistant ABS plastic, it supports up to 35 pounds. The slip-resistant grips securely hold items, while foldable hooks provide versatility. Ideal for garages, kitchens, or offices, it offers durable and mess-free storage. Alloy Lift-Up Storage Bed. Save space with a lift-up bed frame, offering ample storage for bedding, clothing, or shoes. The gas lift mechanism ensures smooth operation, and the sturdy construction provides durability. An elegant wingback headboard with horizontal channels adds a stylish touch, making this bed a functional and chic centerpiece for any bedroom. Fab Totes Clothes Storage. Store and protect clothing with these 60-liter capacity bags made from breathable, odorless fabric. Reinforced handles ensure durability, while a see-through window allows easy identification of contents. Equipped with sturdy, two-way zippers, these storage bags are perfect for organizing seasonal items. Simply wipe clean for maintenance. Neproc Shoe Slots Organizer. Save 50% of closet space with this double-deck shoe organizer, designed for all types of footwear. 4 adjustable height levels accommodate sneakers, heels, and flats without damage. Anti-slip flaps and textured surfaces keep shoes securely in place. Made from durable, eco-friendly materials, this organizer ensures longevity while maintaining a neat, organized space. Baouni Expandable Shelf. Maximize storage with this adjustable shelf, ideal for wardrobes, kitchens, or utility spaces. It supports up to 20 kilogram and easily stores clothes, shoes, or plants. Installation is tool-free, with adjustable rods that securely grip walls. Crafted from stainless steel and ABS materials, this durable shelf offers versatile organization without damaging surfaces. Kiss Core Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit. Efficiently save space with this universal stacking kit for washers and dryers. Compatible with major brands, it fits machines up to 29.9 inch wide. Made from durable plastic and steel, it offers a stable, corrosion-resistant solution. Easy to install, it secures appliances without causing damage, making it a practical addition to compact spaces. Transforming your home into an organized oasis has never been easier, thanks to these 20 smart Amazon storage ideas. From maximizing space to keeping clutter at bay, these solutions are designed to make your life simpler and your home more functional. Ready to snag these game-changing products? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, show us some love with a thumbs up, share it with your fellow organization enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and reviews to help you live your best, most organized life.